look at this model. What decimal number is shown by this model? The first thing I'm going to notice are my answer choices, and I'm noticing that there's a 0 in the ones place, and that's because there is not one whole grid shaded in. So this is the decimal number. I know it has a decimal in it. It's telling me I'm using this as a decimal model. And so for this one, I'm going to make my little mini place value chart, and I'm going to place a 0 in the ones place. And I'm going to notice that there are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 hundredths shaded in. And then I'm going to carefully look at my numbers. If you'll notice, there's lots of 7s. This is an easy way to make a careless mistake. It does not match that one. It is not 17 hundredths. This is way more than that. Here's my 70 hundredths, but I'm going to check my last answer to make sure. So these two are close, but of course there's not one extra. So there's my answer.